Hi everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll talk about creating product hotspots through detected products. Thanks to this feature, you can save time when creating product hotspots without having to manually search for them in your product feed. This feature works by looking through the text in the PDF and reporting back what SKUs from the feed it found an exact match for. Let's see how it works in the editor. Once in the editor, navigate to the Detected Products section, which is located on the right side of the screen. There are 4 products recognized on this page, so everything is working correctly. If you do have SKUs on a page but see a 0 here, the SKUs in your product feed are most likely different from those on the page. To create a product hotspot, drag and drop a relevant item on the page and resize the hotspot or reposition it as needed. You can also decide whether you want to show an icon and adjust hint on hover. Follow the same steps to create hotspots for the rest of the products. You can also add more products to the same hotspot by drag and dropping products onto existing product hotspot, like this. That's all for this video. You will find relevant knowledge base articles in the description below. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.